What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play horns on my Telsa by Deestroying. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or I'll break your ankles off in a game of one-on-one. Also, I'm giving away a free guitar, so if you want to learn how to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. This song is in standard tuning. It's only got 3 chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. If you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord is this version of a D. It's 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 5. Then you need an F major bar chord. And then a G major bar chord. And these chords just repeat. So again, D, F, G, then it goes back to F, and all that just repeats. Once you get the chords down, you just need your strumming pattern. It's gonna be down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down. So you're switching to your F both times on an up strum. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.